guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kriti and my blog is called Balancia that you can follow on my Instagram handle. My today's video is a topic, it's a knowledge sharing series video, and the topic that I'm sharing knowledge with you on is how to start your YouTube channel. Now a lot of people here are apprehensive if they should start a channel or not, how will it go about it, and whether they will be able to do it or not, whether they will be able to garner that audience or not. There are a lot of questions about how to do it, what should they do, whether it will result into something or not, and that just kind of sometimes stops people from doing it or just kind of pulls them back. So today's video is going to be giving you all a little insight onto how you all can start your YouTube channel, how to go about it, and the ups and downs and everything about it. So if you are someone who's interested in knowing this, please do continue watching this video, and if you are watching this video, please do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. Starting a YouTube video seems like a bit of a challenge to people because they just don't know how to start. Should they start or not? Are they worthy enough of starting or not? And honestly, I was someone like that. I always assumed that YouTube is for people who can create like amazing content and like the editing skills are great and they have to be like up there and out there and like really have it in them to do it. Honestly, I have started blogging only a few months back. I mean, a year back through my Instagram handle, and YouTube is something that I joined only 5 months ago, so it's not like it's been a long time for me or I have been like an expert in the YouTube industry and all of that. My videos are quite basic, the information, they are something that I enjoy doing, and yeah, that's what I kind of put out there. So I never thought about oh my god, is it going to work or not. I got a suggestion from a friend saying that why don't you start your YouTube channel because it's big, and I was like, oh, I always thought Instagram is big, is YouTube really meant for me? And she was like, yeah, why not, YouTube is really big and you must do it. So yeah guys, we must just explore everything possible because you never know what works. The first thing that I would say is just go for it. So don't think too much, don't think that oh my god, how am I going to survive, how am I going to do this, and are people going to like my content or not. Forget the ifs and whats and buts and just go for it. Click that button, go and upload your video, start your channel, put down your details, and it will just come to you. Honestly, things will just keep coming, and you will see yourself improving more and more as more videos that you make. Second thing is find your niche. Now for me, for my example, my niche is my skincare. So I always started with skincare on my Instagram, which I continued into YouTube, and then eventually I was like, what, I'm good at other things as well. I do fitness, I do cooking, I do knowledge sharing like this, I'm into positivity. There's a lot that I also kind of believe in and do other things as well. So I was like, while of course skincare is my niche and that's my main and that's what my channel will always reflect, I was like, why not also pick out on things that I can show other people as well, just to kind of influence them in a nice way, just to kind of show the other side of things, show the other side of me as well, instead of just focusing on skincare. So find your niche, but also put out content over there that can show different sides of you, so people are more interested in knowing much more about you, and hence you will get those subscribers, you will get those likes, and just like kind of keep it engaging more and find out what is trending. Now trending is something that is very important when it comes to the digital and social media world, because everything that is trending will be watched out more for, will be clicked on more, will actually garner more attention. So there are a lot of times that I kind of put content out there that is on trend. So for example, during Ganpati, I put a Ganpati video. For example, during the whole mask phase, there was another whole thing that was happening. So just pick the trend that's happening currently, whether it is a serious topic, whether it is just a festival, whether it is just an occasion, whether it is just a world issue, whatever it is, pick a trend and talk about it in your own way. You can talk about it in a funny way, you can talk about it by kind of displaying something else, but basically the point is pick on trends, because that's when you'll actually kind of garner the audience towards your channel, and that's how they'll actually kind of see your other videos as well and understand what you are, who you are, and why. Be consistent with your content. Now it doesn't mean that you put a video today and then you forget about everything for the next 10-15 days and you're like, what, I am done and now I'll put it after 2 weeks. It's okay. It doesn't work like that. For us new YouTubers, it's very important to keep putting out content over there because we want to be visible, we want to come out on the eyes, we want to, be in everyone's face that listen, hello, I am right here and I do a lot of, content, I do a lot of, work on it and blah blah blah. So, I mean, it may become difficult for you to do it on a daily basis. I honestly do it on a daily basis. I put one video each on Instagram and YouTube just because I want to be consistent, because I want to be that visible. So when I actually become really big in the industry, I can choose and pick on what dates work the best, what days work the best, what content works the best. But this is my baby bloomer stage where I'm just trying to test out whether it is working for me, not working for me, what is working for me, what content I should be putting out over there. So all of that really matters. So just be consistent. If you can put 3 videos a week or 4 videos a week, and you will really see that you yourself are improving in the kind of videos that you put down over there, as well as you're attracting more audience. People are actually noticing what you are doing, how you're doing it, so that will automatically give you that popularity and make you become really famous. And research is also something that is very important. So when I started my channel, I honestly used to research for good 3 to 4 hours a day, just seeing how people make their videos, what kind of elements do they add in, what kind of things that people are talking about, what kind of things are actually working on the channel and not. And yeah, there was just a whole lot of research into the way I should be putting out my content over there, animations, editing, introducing my channel, the kind of language I am using. Is just so important to kind of research into all of that and pick those kind of things, because that's what actually makes you improve much more, and just really gives you the confidence of putting your content out there. So definitely research is a very big part of starting your channel, just so you are confident in what you are doing. And speaking on confident brings my last point over here, that just be confident. Don't think about what will this one thing, what will that one thing, will people like it or not, should I do something like this or not, or don't, I'm just so shy to come out on it. Don't do any of that. Just be confident. Think that you are putting out the best over there. Put in your best effort to put your best things over there. They may not get the visibility today, they may not get the visibility tomorrow, but at some point, somewhere, someone will recognize it and they will pick on it. It may take 1 year, it may take 5 months, it may take 100 years, whenever it is. Just don't put yourself down. Be confident that you are meant for this. This is your thing. Enjoy it and just go for it. Basically, just go for it without thinking much, and more importantly, enjoy what you are doing. If you start enjoying the content that you put out there, if you start enjoying making the video, if you start enjoying the process of it, honestly, it will just come to you and it will just become a very fun process. So this was it, guys. This was my take on how you should start a YouTube channel, how it has helped me. I mean, like I said, I am not anyone big on YouTube currently. Yes, I am dedicated, I am consistent, I am confident, but I mean, some of my videos hardly even get any views. It's not like I get some skyrocket views or skyrocket engagement, but I mean, it's okay, it's fine. The point is to put content over there and get recognized for it whenever you can, whatever you can. So just do it, like I said, go for it. And yeah, I wish all of you all the best for starting a YouTube channel. I actually hope that you all garnered something from this and will take that step to start your own channel if you are planning on to, and it's just the best and the greatest journey that you will be on. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, guys, and yeah, if you really like this video, please do like it and comment it and share it, and yeah, let me know if there is anything else that I can help you all with, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye.